Hey guys, it's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire, where we smoke meat, fly drones, and do all things neat. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you've already subscribed, I really appreciate your support. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, putting on the notification bell so you won't miss any content when I post. I don't know about you guys, but it really looks like a good day for a warm bowl of chili. Stick around and we'll get into it. Man, this cold day really has me looking forward to some chili. So our first step is to go ahead and brown the meat. So I will meet you at the stove and we'll get that going. So for today's cook, I will be using the Simply Nature organic grass-fed beef. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get this unpackaged and put in the pan, and then we'll season it up. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. All right, so the meat finished browning, so let's put this together and get it ready to go on the smoker. So here is the ground beef. It was 1.5 pounds. So we'll just get that in there. Then we will go with some diced tomatoes. Diced tomatoes and green chili. Tomato sauce. And beans are optional. I have those, but I'll wait a little bit later to put those in so they won't get mushy while they're sitting on the smoker. So we'll go ahead and add just a little bit of beef broth. All right, so now we will add our seasoning, and this is chili powder. This is onion flakes and garlic. This is cumin, and this is paprika, and this is crushed red pepper powder. So we'll just add that to our pot here. Now we'll get that all mixed in together. Smells amazing. I cannot wait to get this on the smoker, get it going, get it back out and start eating. So I will meet you guys out at the Pit Boss 850 Pro Series and we will get this smoking. So here in Alabama today, it is a cool 32 degrees, so I'll probably be fighting with the pit just a little bit today, but I plan on getting it at around 225, and I'm gonna put the chili on and let it cook for about an hour, and then I will probably add the beans at that point and see where we are. Probably let it sit another 30 minutes to an hour, and I think we'll be ready to eat. And since we're all friends, corn does not belong in chili. So I just pulled this chili off of the smoker and it smells amazing and looks amazing. So let's give it a taste. That is a great bowl of chili. I think we're gonna enjoy this. Thanks for watching, guys. And before I get out of here, I just want to give a shout out to my boy George over at 805 Barbecue Junkie. If you guys haven't been to his channel, go check it out. He is an amazing cook. His food always looks good and he's just an overall good guy. So check him out. I'll put a link in the description and I'll probably already have a picture on this page. So thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.